This area of Liverpool is a particular bottleneck. All the traffic from all directions can get backed up quite heavily. And this situation shows a little bit of a traffic jam in a side road that I take here on the left. So as I enter the road, you can see the cars are queuing coming out. And there's parked cars on either side of the road. So the car that's next approaching, the Honda, decides to do a great thing and actually reverse back a little. Without doing this, all the traffic from behind was also going to get blocked up through the junction and make the whole situation worse. So sometimes you do have to reverse back out of a situation. But this jam hasn't cleared yet. Watch what the Toyota does now. Now what should go on? I can't get through and the silver one's a little bit stuck. So the silver one takes the sensible option and reverses back to allow the flow. Great job.
Nice one, buddy.
When everyone works together, these situations are rarely big problems. It's only when people are selfish that it gets gridlocked.